Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you guys doing? Let's continue our exercise 6a. Question number 5. Question number 5. Plot each set of the given points on a sheet of graph paper. Join the points in order with the straight lines and identify each geometrical shapes obtained. In this question, the given points, there are given points and we have to draw the straight lines for making a geometrical shapes, and at the end we identify the shapes. Let's start with the part A. The points are 6 4, minus 6 4, minus 6 minus 4 and 6 minus 4. Let's start with 6 4. 6 4, first value is x-axis, positive x-axis 6 and 4, positive 6 on x-axis, positive 4 on y-axis. Let's say it is here. Now second point, minus 6 comma 4, minus 6 on x-axis, that is our minus axis, so minus 6 is here and 4 is here. Let's say our point is about here. Third point, minus 6 minus 4, minus 6 minus 4, this is minus 4 on y-axis, so this is our third point. And last point, 6 comma minus 4 on positive side x, 6 minus 4, here it is. Now if we join the dots with the straight lines, we have clearly identified the shape, that is a rectangle. So part 5a is a rectangle. Now coming to the second part, part B, the given points are 0 5, minus 6 0, 0 minus 5 and 6 and 0. Let's start with the 0 5. On x-axis we have 0 there and 5 on y-axis is here. This is our point. First point, minus 6 comma 0, minus 6 comma 0. This is our second point. 0 minus 5. On x-axis we have 0 here and y-axis minus 5 is here. Last point, 6 comma 0. So 6 on x-axis here and 0 is there. So there are 4 points. If we draw, we can draw so what shape we get is a diamond shape. Now moving forward to the third part, 5c. Here are 3 given points, 0 0, that is this point, 0 comma 8 0 8, this point, and third point is 5 comma 4 5 comma 4. So what shape we have? And this is our third line. So we found the shape of triangle. Now part D, 1 0 0 3, minus 1 4, minus 5 minus 2. 1 0, on x-axis we have 1 and 0, this is our point. Second point is 0 3 0 3, this point, minus 1 4, minus 1 plus 4, minus 5 minus 2, minus 5 and this is minus 2. Now we meet the points. So this is a four-sided shape which is called quadrilateral. Now coming to our last part, 5, 2, 5, 2, first point, minus 1 plus 3, minus 1 plus 3, minus 1 minus 3, minus 1 minus 3, 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2. If we join the dots, what we get? Now this shape, what is this shape? Is trapezium. Now moving to our next question, question number 6. The vertices of a right angle triangles are given as A is 1, 0, B is 7, 0 and C is 1, 8. Now we have to draw on this on a graph paper, and then we have to find the area of the triangle. Let's try to draw the triangle. 1, 0, 1, 0, this is our first point. 7, 0, 7, 0, this is our second point. C is 1, 8, 1, 8. That's this. So this is our right angle triangle. Now we have to find the area. What is the area of a triangle? Triangle area is equal to half BH. B is the base of the triangle, that is how many units? 6 units. And what is the height of our triangle? 8 units. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6, and we get 24 unit square. So the area of the triangle is 24 unit square. Now let's continue our question 7. There are 7 points given, and we have to find what pattern the points are making. Let's try to draw the pattern. 3, 5, 3, 5, that is our first point. 2, minus 3, 2, minus 3. 1, 1, 1, minus 1. 0, 1. Minus 1, minus 1, and positive 3. Minus 2, 5. Minus 2, 5. And minus 3, 7. So these are the 7 points. Let's try to connect them. So we can see they are making a straight line. So these are the points of a straight line. Now last part of our lecture, if y is given as 2 upon 3x plus 1 upon 3, then find part A, find y when x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to 1 and half. Let's start with this part. Given is y is equal to 2 upon 3 x is minus 3 plus 1 upon 3. So we can cut down as 3 with 3, so minus 2 plus 1 upon 3. We take the LCM, that is 3 minus 2 multiply with 3 plus 1, minus 6 plus 1 upon 3, and our y will be minus 5 upon 3. On the second part, y is equal to 2 upon 3 of x is 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3. So we can cut out this 3 with 3 and 2 with 2. What we left? 1 plus 1 upon 3. By taking LCM, we get 3 plus 1 upon 3, that is 4 upon 3. That is our required answer. Now last part, we have to find the value of x when y is 1 and y is 1 upon 6 minus. So first of all, we eliminate x to find out the y. Let's say 2 upon 3, x is equal to y minus 1 upon 3. In the next part, x is equal to y minus 1 upon 3 upon 2. By putting the value that is given, y is equal to 1, we get 1 minus 1 upon 3, 3 upon 2. So we can take the LCM, 3 minus 1 upon 3, 3 upon 2. So 2 upon 3 multiply with 3 upon 2. We can cut out these, so our x will become 1. That is our required answer. Now on the second part, since we have find out our equation, so put the value of y in this equation, minus 1 upon 6 minus 1 upon 3, 3 upon 2. By taking LCM, we get 6 minus 1 minus 2, 3 upon 2, minus 3 upon 6 multiply with 3 upon 2. So we can cut out this 3. So what we get is 3 upon 4 minus 1. So this is our required answer. Hopefully you understand this lecture. If you feel any difficulties regarding this question, feel free to ask. Thank you for watching.